for the issue, what we are realizing that Fulani killed my brother. With the child he carried for his hand, they killed all of them.
I was sent to take care of a church.
Again, this was on Sunday. The Fulani Bandits has carried out another deadly attack on one Enugu community. And a lot of people have been asking, why is it that this attack is almost every time in Enugu State? Among the whole 5 eastern states in the southeast part of Nigeria, Enugu State is receiving the most deadly attack at this moment. People are asking, is it because of the governor's character on insecurity? That is his approach on insecurity. And a lot of people are saying that the governor also promised them that he is going to, organize or build a ranching system for them in Enugu State, and he promised to harbor them and allow them to stay in the communities in the state. So is it because of this that is leading to all these attacks? We are going to talk on that later. Now, on a filling station, a fight broke out because of fuel scarcity.
Come on.
That was the effect of the fuel scarcity. Now, let us go into the report as reported by AIT News about these insecurity challenges in Enugu State.
The atmosphere in Nimbo community, also one in local government area of Enugu State, remains tense following a recent attack allegedly carried out by armed herdsmen from neighboring borders. The attack, which occurred last Sunday, claimed the lives of 4 individuals, including a child.
So, for the issue, what we are realizing that Fulani killed my brother. With the child he carried for his hand, they killed all of them.
I was sent to take care of a church here. And this is my place where they really entered yesterday. I saw them face to face. It was God that saved me. And since that yesterday, this is my just coming back. I've been on the way, running up and down. So I don't know how.
Attacks on Nimbo, a border town in Uzowani, have become a recurring nightmare, leaving villagers living in fear.
I've denied us the favor and the fate of being a youth in this village. They have been dealing with us several times. This is not the first time, this is not the second time.
The situation is peculiar. Anything you can do to strengthen our local vigilance, if it's possible to give us a drone that can monitor our bush, because we don't have any other farm.
Governor Peter Mba, accompanied by heads of security agencies in the state, has come to empathize with the community and instill hope, declaring enough is enough.
We're pained, we're truly pained by such dastardly killing. It's absolutely senseless that a people who are living quietly within their environment, you have people who would trespass, come into their locality and open fire on them. That is inexcusable, is unacceptable, and we are not going to stop at anything. We're going to identify, we're going to track these culprits. We're going to pursue them wherever they are. We're going to capture them, and we're going to make sure that we'll bring them to justice.
While acknowledging Enugu State's reputation for hospitality, he emphasized that this generosity should not be taken for granted.
We are very hospitable people, but when we demonstrate hospitality, we expect our guests, people who have come to mingle with us, to also abide by the rules, to play.
Assuring the villagers, he announced that the government will assume responsibility for all medical bills and alleviate the suffering of victims. He also promised scholarships for the children orphaned by the attack and employment opportunities for those in need. Kelechi Ekeledo, AIT News, Enugu.
Meanwhile, one of the most controversial politicians in Nigeria, Mr. Buba Galadima, has said in a video that Nigerians deserve to die, that Nigerians deserve to go hunger because they made the wrong choice by electing Tinubu. Well, I know that most Nigerians, or majority of us, did not elect Tinubu, but I don't really know how he find his way there, but it's not by illegal means. I just have to bring my submission. That is my opinion. Listen to what he said.
People are hungry.
Let them die. It's their fault. Yeah, I'm supporting Tinubu 100%.
You're supporting Tinubu?
100% to deal with Nigerians.
Jesus.
People like you. So that when next election comes, I will now see whether when people bring money, you will vote for them or you will do your conscience.
I want to ask about your relationship with Muhammadu Buhari.
We are the best of friends now.
You are still the best of friends.
Of course, why not? He thought I will die. If he thought maybe I will die if I didn't get position. I'm looking healthier than him. And I have more respect than him. If anybody denies the respect I have, let's attend a public function with a public officer and me, a proletariat, a common person, and see who do people gather around and joke with and talk without me giving penny, without them knowing what I have to give. Nothing.
You said that Buhari set Nigeria back 100 years.
Yes.
This was somebody who was your best friend. You were picked up multiple times because you were supporting him both publicly and in your personal capacity. And then, as you said, no condition is permanent, because if I remember, you switched to the PDP, joined the Atiku team, and in 2019, Buhari's SSS.
I didn't.
You didn't switch?
No.
But they picked you up?
Yeah, they wanted to pick me up.
They didn't pick you up?
They didn't get me.
It was misreported?
No.
Because, you know, there was when you tweeted...
There is a difference between picking me, detaining me, or having me.
Okay.
You must have made an attempt, but you didn't see me, or you didn't get me.
So what happened in 2019?
No, because I saw their moves and I was alerted. So I left the house, leaving all my phones. Because if I have my phones on me, and people should know that if you commit an offense, don't go with the known telephone on your body, because they will zero on you wherever you are.
Yeah.
So I left. I was told, and I saw the movement. I know when they want to pick me each time. I know what they do. So I'm an experienced person in that.
You're an experienced political detainee.
When?
Have you lost hope?
Completely. Not because of those that are in power or seize the power, but because of you people. There is nothing under the sun that I have not seen before this election. Nigerians decided to take Indomie, 200 naira, and voted for rocks across the country. So the BBC, Voice of America, Deutsche Welle, Al Jazeera, CNN, they had requested to interview me, TRT. I said no. All the things I needed to say, I said them before the election. I have nothing new to say.
People are hungry.
Let them die. It's their fault. Yeah, I'm supporting Tinubu 100%.
You're supporting Tinubu?
100% to deal with Nigerians.
Jesus.
People like you. So that when next election comes, I will now see whether when people bring money, you will vote for them or you will do your conscience.